Yesterday, and it's of the traditional schools, which in most cases don't play in the NPP organized tournaments. So it was an initiative of FUFA and their brand of FUFA TV to give us this, to have an opportunity of exploring the young men talents in these schools. Now we have had our first game against Jinja College on our own ground, and we have lost 1-0. We had so many opportunities of scoring goals, but could not utilize our opportunities. And the only opportunity Jinja College got, through our mistakes, they got a goal.
Engineer Moses Magogo, the FUFA president, thought wisely to bring this tournament. And we have been seeing like the PP tournament, leaving out such young talents. And here boys are displaying the talents. And it is so good. We wish that from the 8 teams, it takes the whole country among the traditional schools. Because of recent I heard of a complaint whereby schools as far as Western Uganda, schools like Entare, schools like Mbarara High School, and the likes asking whether they are not traditional schools. But everything that begins in a simple way, and I know it will take root in the whole country. So